everybody. Good afternoon. So this is your captain speaking. Get ready for takeoff. Today we're flying the territory of Winter Wonderland. As you can tell, it's pretty cold and we've had a lot of snow, and so let's take a look around. Now I live here in Southwest Missouri, not to dox myself, but that's where we're located. And it's we're still getting some snowfall out here. We got maybe an inch, maybe at best. You can see all those snowflakes just coming around me. So let's take a look around at this Winter Wonderland. That's where we're at today. That's our destination, Winter Wonderland. Okay, I gotta be careful how I film this. So anyway, look at all that snow. Look at all that snow. Absolutely. And there's my car. I have to be careful how I'm filming. Okay. You can see all the snow we've had. Now, it's cold. I got a heavier coat on today. I got my black trench coat on, and so let's take a walk down Winter Wonderland. Okay. Oh boy. Look at these snow ice crystals on the trees there. I can't stay out here very long. It's really freezing out here. Okay, now look at all this snow. There's a lot of land here. There's our tractor way down yonder. So what's it like where you're at? I've been getting stories from the last video, and pretty interesting ones, and so how many well, let's see. I was going to ask a trivia question for you. I got an interesting fact. How tall was the world's largest snowman? Well, it was 122 feet tall, 1 inch, in 2008 in Bethel. So, here in the United States, of course. A snowflake has 6 sides. Now, what I want to talk to you about is, today's a snow day. Did you know the schools are closed? Oh yeah, we got to check this road. The schools are closed today. Now, if you were in Wisconsin, you'd still be going to school. Be a foot of snow, you'd be going to school. It used to be that way. Now, with helicopter parents, 2 happy parents, schools closed for almost anything, for fear of a lawsuit. So, I remember when I was a kid, we'd stick close to the radio, and we'd wait for our town to be called for school closings. Now I live in a small town called Marshfield, so when Marshfield would be mentioned on KTTS, you'd be going, yay, Marshfield. No ice on the roads. Roads feel okay. I got these tongs, but if that's, I think that's what you call them. But anyway, car is coming. We had to get off the road. Woo! We couldn't wait for our schools to be closed, could we? When we were kids, remember sitting by the radio, watching TV. Come on, come on. Where's our school? You know, you can't wait for your school to be mentioned in all the school closings. Oh. Yeah, that was a lot of fun. You ever used to go out and play in the snow, eat snow, have snowball fights? I wonder if kids know what that is anymore. Today there's inside playing video games, I guess. Scrolling on TikTok, scrolling on their phones. I don't think they know what it meant to go out and play in the snow. We probably got helicopter parents who won't allow it. When I was a kid, they threw us out of the house. Go play. Go play with your friends. Get out of here. We couldn't wait to go outside and play. Snow castles and all kinds of neat old fun we would have as we grew up. And wow, look at all that snow. Yeah, look at all that snow. So yeah, we had a lot of fun back then. We're up to almost 6 minutes. My fingers are starting to freeze. It's got to be really cold out here. We gotta start heading back inside. But yeah, we had a lot of fun as a kid growing up. Tell me about your story. Did you have fun when you were growing up? Did you have snowball fights? Couldn't wait for to hear your school name on TV or on the radio? When I was a kid, it was KTTS. They'd come on, we'd turn on the radio. They had their goat patrols and wow. That was a lot of fun. We gotta head back inside, folks. That's where we're gonna go now. Hold on. Okay, we gotta head back inside. It's getting really cold out here. I got my trench coat on because it's a little warmer coat than my other one. My fingers are starting to freeze because I got my phone in my hand and oh God, we gotta go back inside. Ooh, you don't want to be out here without gloves. It is like in the teens, I'm guessing. Okay, here we go. You gotta be careful going up these steps because it does get cold. Oh man. Whew. Man, it's cold. Oh gosh. Oh, you don't want to be outside. Oh God. My fingers feel like they're froze off. Ooh, doggy. Ooh. Ooh. It's good to be back inside. Oh, my fingers, I feel like they're froze off. Well, I didn't wear protective gloves or anything. I didn't intend for this video to be very long. So, yeah. Oh, I got my heater here. I'll probably have me a cup of coffee. Got my water running, so we don't want to freeze the pipes. So it's always a good idea to do that. And I got my these are open again to keep the pipes from freezing. So you want to keep your pipes healthy as long as you can. Ooh, doggy, we're on to 8.5 minutes. What should I watch today on the TV? I'm booked up inside the house, and I really don't want to watch YouTube. Let's see, I got Star Trek here, Wonder Woman, Sanford and Son, Empire, Charles in Charge. I need to sit down and watch Battlestar Galactica one of these days. Here's a good book. I'll probably sit down and read a good book today. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Read a book. Angels and the Miraculous. I only got like a dozen stories read, so it's a pretty good book about encountering angels. These are stories, 101 inspirational stories of faith, miracles, and answered prayers. Good book for me to read. That's what we'll do. Yeah, my bed isn't made. I'm a bachelor. Who cares? But anyway, I thought I'd give you a tour around my little apartment here. I got more in the house. I mean, I have several rooms in there. Got a big studio in there, and that's an old TV, believe it or not. It works just as good as the new ones do, probably better. And I did find a repairman to fix my laser disc, so we'll probably take it into Springfield and get it done, get it repaired. And because I got a lot of laser disc. Okay, so anyway, oh man, we had a little bit of a tour today and got to check out that winter weather. Whoa, did it get cold outside or what? Oh my God, it got cold. Ooh, my fingers are just now thawing out a little bit. Whew. A good idea, look up some trivia today. I like how many, a snowflake has 6 sides, and the world's tallest snowman, I didn't know, was 122 feet. Wow. That took some, wow. There's an ice hotel in Sweden, did you know that? A hotel made of ice. No kidding, in Sweden. Yeah. So, I want to thank everybody for watching. You know the routine, every YouTuber says this. I can't believe we've hit over 4,000 subs. I never thought I'd see that many. And I am not the most professional YouTuber. As you can tell, I keep moving the camera around. A professional's got he's got photographers. These bigger YouTubers, yeah, they got a crew working. I'm just a one-man show. Now this video is being shot with a Canon G7X Mark II. I'm going to plug it into the laptop because I'm not in town. And so, in case you're wondering what camera I'm using, I do like using my good cameras every once in a while. They just take forever to upload. And we got to cut this video off because it's going to take forever to upload. Now we're up to 12 minutes. We got to say goodbye. Like, comment, share, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.